Hi YouTube friends, it's Lee here. Welcome to Junk Journal January for 2025. So this is an open challenge hosted by Meg from Meg Journals. There's a link to her channel in my video description box, and I'll be making a creation every day in my little journal here from the prompts that Meg has provided. Welcome to day 27, which is crumpled. So I'm going to crumple some of this. Got a bit cut out of it, so let's just see what happens, where it goes. It's a bit okay, so if I bring that down like that, pocket. Oh, I can go this way. I actually like it better that way. A world of possibilities. Going to crumple it some more and see what else I can see in there. Oh, hang on. Here's a tuck spot. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to just glue that on. Then whatever sticks. Pull off the excess and then I'll go from there. So I'm going to use Mod Podge. I'm just going to put this under here just to protect everything, and I just need to find a brush. Must be one here somewhere. This, I think it's big enough. It's about 6 foot long. Okay, so I'm just going to plaster this in Mod Podge for a start. Okay, so I need to let that dry. While that's drying, I'm going to use a piece of this bit that I tore off, and it's going to become a pocket. What I want to do is stitch along the top here, just a little bit of a running stitch, just so it strengthens the top of that where it's been torn. First they're going to tear that off so it's the right size. More stuff falling out. It's going to take me a week to find where all this stuff's coming from. Okay, so I'm going to put that back. You know what I'm thinking about doing? Stitching all the way around the edge of the page by hand. Okay, so I'm just going to stitch this on with this giant needle. And why am I putting this on here? Because it was on my desk. That's the only reason. I keep picking it up. I keep putting it down. I keep picking it up again. So one way to do it, to get rid of it, is just pick it up and use it. Don't put it down until you've done something with it. Easier said than done sometimes. I wonder if I've got enough on this needle to go all the way around. So I hope you're all enjoying the videos. Let me know in the comments what's been your favourite so far and what it is about it that you like. I really love the little windmill flowers that I did yesterday. There hasn't been too many that I've thought, oh, could have done something else, should have done something else, but yeah, it's been good fun. Really enjoying it, as I always do. But I'm getting tired, I'm suffering from brain strain. I know that. I can tell. I look at a couple of the prompts and I'm like, I don't know what to do. So on those days, what I do is I just pick up something and start doing something with it. And a lot of the times you'll find I start off doing something and then I end up doing something completely different. So that's what happened with the flip out on the other one, which was Yeah, the modern one. I got to the end and I hadn't even done the flip out. I'd just done something completely different. Anyway, doesn't matter. Okay, so scrappy little pocket there. I've just stitched a couple of things on. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is get some more of that white thread onto my needle, and I'm going to stitch around there. I don't know about stitching along that edge. I think it might cause a bit of damage, so I won't stitch there, but I will do the other 3 sides and I'll show you what that looks like. So I'm actually stitching it from this side, so it's easier for me to work out where I am, and I'm using like I wouldn't call it a blanket stitch, but it's like an overlocking sort of thing. So what I'm doing at the same time is pulling that extra piece of paper over and locking it down. I'm not looking for perfection, of course, so my stitches are not going to be evenly spaced or the same size. I am going to do the other side, the bottom and the top as well, because I made this little loop here to hang things on, so I wanted to start from that corner. This is what it's looking like on this side. Yeah, and now I'm going to attach this pocket. So I'm going to put that up from the bottom a little bit. Got this, I don't like the edge of that. You know what I mean? It's too, I don't know what the word is. I suppose in the right place it looks alright, okay. Oh look, you know, this is one of those things that's been hanging around on my desk. Like I keep talking about using stuff. So apparently 2025 is the year to use your stuff. So it was 24 and 23 and 22. What else? Coming back to this piece of ribbon. Can poke it under there. Actually, I could probably get it on the needle and there we go. Well, how do I get the needle out? I'm gonna have to pull it all the way through. Yeah. Okay, so while it's there, why don't I just go through there as well? No, that's not going to work, you idiot. That's what I need to do. I don't want to tear the paper. I wish I'd started there now, but I didn't. Come on. I think I'll leave that as the last one. I'm just pushing my luck, I think. There we go. I'll take the needle off. Oh, I see what I've done. Okay. I might be able to get it through this. Might as well glue that on. Yeah, shove that on there. And let's see if I can get a bit of this ribbon. This ribbon, this special ribbon, because if you can see, it's got Miller's written on there. Okay, so that's off a piece of clothing from Miller's, which was a huge, big ladies' fashion store in Australia. Started at about 1993, and they've just gone into receivership and they're closing down all of their stores. But I think they're still selling online, I'm not sure. So these are the ribbons that they put on the, on the shoulders to stop the things from falling off in the shop, off the hangers. So this ribbon could be worth a lot of money in about 200 years' time. I used to always get my clothes from there because they were really true to size, but lately they haven't been. I think they've been getting cheap clothing from overseas because they just don't fit like they used to. But it's still a shame that they're closing down. Put that on there like that. And anything else? Leave it there. You know what I could do? And I can't resist. I'm going to get the gilding wax, gilding paste, I should say. It's just going to catch on those edges that are all sticking up. A little journaling card to go in there. Alright, hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you in another video soon. So the 28th is sealed. So that's the next thing. Okay, take care. Happy crafting, happy creating, and I'll see you on the 28th. Hugs and cheers from Australia. Hero.